MRES approaches and resolves fears on 3 levels: the conscious, the unconscious, and the subconscious. So what are subconscious fears? Subconscious fears are emotions made out of tensions, out of sensations that are not strong enough to be conceptualized by your brain as an actual emotion. However, you will probably notice that your body feels tension all day long and you don't pay attention to it, you don't do anything about it. However, those tensions have very much an influence on your life. You know, they actually create the dynamic of your life, the dynamic of the relationships in your life. It is most important to approach them and resolve them so you can really feel in a way that is congruent to your current reality, unfazed by tensions that come from the past, not from your present.